Hi, everybody. My name is Megan, and I'm here with Michelle and Aaron, and we are your program coordinators for the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council.
November happens to be Global Career Month, so we're really excited here at the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council. We invite you to check out our contact360.ca website for all your job readiness and career launching resources that you might need. Employability program is offering all of our job readiness resources, as well as some opportunities for workshops on resumes or job interview skills. And also, we're super excited that Relevance 2023, our career development magazine, is going to be launched this month as well, so stay tuned.
In conjunction with Saskatchewan Manufacturing Week, we are so excited to be hosting an in-person ManuQuest event where students will have the opportunity to explore different manufacturing programs at Sask Polytechnic, as well as tour a local manufacturing facility. So this event takes place Tuesday, November the 22nd, and the registration deadline is Tuesday, November 15th. So check out our website to learn more and register. And as always, be sure to check out our website for more virtual resources, including our new Spotlight on Mining video featuring Nutrien.
Fun fact, did you know that all of our bootcamp programs are free of charge? If you're into hands-on learning, then check out our bootcamps upcoming in 2023. We're going to have them in auto body, mechanics, welding, culinary, 3D animation, and many more. So check out our website for more details.
November is also Financial Literacy Month, so we've got a whole bunch of events happening. We've got some online webinars that are happening for classrooms around the province. So you can check out our Cautious Consumerism webinar, our CPP, the Canada Pension Plan Investment webinar, which is going to be a really interesting conversation, and our tax webinar with the Canada Revenue Agency is always popular, and that's why you see all those dates and options at the bottom. So go to saskmoney.ca to the events page to register. Did the word free catch your eye here? Sask Polytechnic is offering their early childhood education program. It's a dual credit program that we're here to remind you of this month. The deadline to apply is in January. Program is starting in January. So if you're interested in earning some credits that you can apply to working in a daycare or working with young children, please apply for this program.
And if you want to stay up to date on all things SIEC, which I know you do, make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms.
We're looking forward to working with you in Global Career Month.